Good morning, friends. I'm going to talk about bacillary dysentery. Bacillary dysentery, the causative agent of the dysentery is Shigella. Shigella, it is a parasite of human intestine. It present in human intestine. It is a gram-negative, non-motile, non-capsulated, non-sporing. This is all about morphology. Okay. Now culture. Mecogni agar, deoxycholate citrate agar, xylose lysine deoxycholate agar, Salmonella Shigella agar. This is Salmonella Shigella agar. These both are detected for Salmonella and Shigella. Hecton enteric agar. Hectic enteric agar also is there. Resistance. What is the resistance? It is killed at 56 degrees centigrade for 1 hour continuously. We have to boil it and it will degrade it. And we can use 1% phenol for 30 minutes. Antigen. It's having two antigen. O antigen, K antigen. Classification. The classification are Shigella dysenteria, Shigella flexneri, Shigella boydii, Shigella sonnei. In these four, the Shigella dysentery is most common in India. And these are in other countries, and sonnei, it is very rare in India. The dysentery is mannitol not fermented, but all other are fermented the mannitol. It is indole negative, and this sonnei is indole negative, lactose and sucrose fermented. Toxins. Which type of toxins it secretes? It secretes mostly three type toxins: endotoxin, exotoxin, virocytotoxin, VT. It is also called VT. Endotoxin. Endotoxin, which is create the irritation in intestinal wall. It creates irritation in intestinal wall, cause diarrhea and ulcer. In severe condition, it cause ulcer. Exotoxin. Exotoxin is produced by Shigella dysentery type 1. It is powerful exotoxin. It is also called toxemia. The exotoxin is type of neurotoxin. It damage endothelial cell. Which endothelial cell? It is endothelial cell is present in blood vessel wall. So it causes some damage in endothelial cell of small blood vessels of CNS. If it damage the CNS. So the result is polyneuritis, meningitis. Polyneuritis, meningitis. Why? The cell wall will damage. It won't increase the blood. So it cause coma. Virocytotoxin. It is also produced by Shigella dysentery type 1. Shigella dysentery type 1 also produce virocytotoxin. It acts on viro cell. It is two type 1, type 2. Pathogenesis. Pathogenesis is Shigella dysentery's main cause. Most severe form of dysentery, and mostly it is present in India, and child will get it more because contaminated food and water. This is the root of ingestion. So mostly the child will infected more. Contaminated food and water, feces present in food and water, contaminated food and water. Incubation period is 48 hours. Chronic condition in malnutrition and AIDS patient. If some patients are having AIDS disease, and some are malnutrition, so they get it earlier than other normal person. um, it cause it affect the part of terminal ileum, and most is a distal part of colon. Most is distal part of colon, and it is virulence marker antigen, virulence marker agent present in protein. See, it show the virulence marker antigen in protein of plasmid code of bacteria Shigella. Which bacteria? Shigella. Actually, the Shigella, the bacteria produce protein. In that protein, one antigen produced by this protein, which is called virulence marker antigen. It is present in colon. Virulence marker antigen is detected by ELISA. ELISA is a technique we can identify if the virulence marker agent antigen are present. That is called the patient is having dysentery, Shigella disease, Shigella infection. Sorry, Shigella disease, no, Shigella infection. Complications will be parotitis. The parotid gland will be swelled. Polyneuritis due to CNS infection, because it is the exotoxin is a neurotoxic. And conjunctivitis, arthritis, hemolytic uremic syndrome. It is rarely occur, hemolytic uremic syndrome, in severe condition. Lab diagnosis, we can get the specimen, the fresh stool. If we are taking the swab of rectal, that is not sufficient. The infectant agent will not present the sufficient. It is the ELISA and some diagnosis will get the result negative. So we should take the fresh stool, not the swab. Swab should not take from rectal. Transport will be very fast, and the transport medium will be Sheets buffered glycerol saline. That is a medium. And direct microscopy, we can in that direct microscopy it shows the pus cells, mostly the pus cells, erythrocytes, macrophages, pus cells. In intestine some cells are there which come by stool, and erythrocytes, because it causes bleeding also. So some blood clots are present in stool, so erythrocytes also we can see. Culture medium, I already have told you, xylose, lysine, deoxycholate agar, mecogni agar, salmonella, Shigella agar, hectone, enteric agar. Staining, it shows the gram negative bacilli. I have already told about its morphology. It is gram negative bacilli, non-motile and non-sporing, but we mostly see that the gram negative bacilli and non-motile. It won't be motile. Biochemical reaction, urease, catalase, H2S, KCN negative. These all are negative for Shigella. Test, slide agglutination test confirm the Shigella dysentery. We can use slide agglutination test. If it is confirmed, means it shows the Shigella dysentery is present. Treatment, because this is a bacteria, so we can use antibiotics, ciprofloxacin, erythromycin. Prevention is sanitization. Thank you guys. If you like this, please share.